Welcome to Abstractors. Claude is an AI assistant by Anthropic that aims to be safe, accurate, and secure, but not highly available, it seems, right at this moment. This chatbot almost beat ChatGPT 4. Claude 3 Opus is certainly beating Llama, Meta AI, Google Gemini Pro, but it's not available everywhere. If I log in, they say, unfortunately, Claude AI is only available in certain regions right now. We are working hard to expand to other regions soon. And if I go to this page, Claude AI locations, looks like they are available for like every corner of the world but my region. This is strange, but anyways, I wonder why services try to exclude regions when they can be easily accessed using VPN. Anyways, if you cannot use Claude AI, just use VPN. So you can use any suitable VPN to access Claude AI. You can also search Chrome Web Store to find VPN extension such as Urban VPN. It also allows United States location. Also from Chrome Web Store, search Claude and you will find several extensions that lets you use Claude. For VPN, you can also use Opera web browser. To enable VPN in Opera web browser, go to settings, click features and check this option, enable VPN. And that's it. Now you can use Claude AI using this web browser. Then we have certain apps like this one, Anakin.ai. And this method doesn't require VPN. I'm not using VPN right now. And Claude is not available in my region. But using Anakin.ai and such tools, I can access and use Claude AI as a regular user. And from this drop down, you can select the models. Many options are available here, such as GPT, Claude, Gemini Pro, Mistral, and even Meta. Let's select this one, Claude Instant. Let's ask it a question. And here is the result. So you can use these third-party apps like this Anakin.ai or from an extension from Chrome Web Store to use Claude AI. And if that doesn't work, simply use a VPN that allows United States region to access Claude AI from anywhere. And there is this resource, u.com. You can switch model from the drop down and select Claude. And here we are using Claude 3 Opus. We also have LMS/SYS Chatbot Arena. Click on Arena side by side and select any two chatbots. I selected Claude 3 Opus here and here Llama 3. In the rules, they say ask any question to two chosen models. You can chat for multiple turns. So you can have multiple conversations here. And this is the response from Claude 3 Opus. And this is from Llama. So there are several ways to access Claude AI. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.